Yo, what's up, y'all? So today, I'm gonna be playing the newest game made in 2026. I think it was made in May 10, 2026. It was made in May 10, 2026, of course. Yeah. I don't know why I'm playing this. It's just very popular. How do people get this high up on the leaderboard? Oh, patience, for fuck's sake. I thought it was supposed to be shifts, but okay. I'm on shift 3, bro. Got 22. Okay, okay, you got it. By the way, I just woke up. Man, that was like 3 minutes ago. Or what? I don't know. I can't remember. I have memory loss when I first wake up. Yeah. I'm not gonna be editing this. I already know it's gonna be peak. It's not gonna be peak. It's gonna be cringe as fuck. Hurry up, bruh. Man. Hold up, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright, we finally got into a game. God damn it. Okay, there's two patients here. Or she already got a cup now. Yep, got it. Wait a minute, what? Okay. Nice. Okay. I'll follow you to the room. Oh, alright. How did bro already know? Uh, no, I'm being quiet today. Let's stop being quiet.
Wait, I can kill a robot!
I dropped. Don't worry, I got it.
Wait, what?
Aw, damn it. I got a stress, man. Damn, I hate this girl. What's up? God damn it. Dude, lower the goddamn volume, please.
What the?
I'm trying to make a video here. It's always two. I hate this girl. Man, what the fuck?
Is that a
Whatever, let me check the cameras. Yep, this is legit. This is legit. What the fuck, sucker? I need coffee. No, I don't need that. One second. Shit. Definitely. What do you mean by that? I want. God damn it. Animal Hospital gotta be my new favorite thing. I'm already at the door. Bro needs an item bag. Oh, never mind. Girl got it. God damn it. Maybe I should do this solo. Hold up, I'll be back. Alright, I got into a game. People kept on, doing the thing, kept on, joining me, so I had to, avoid them. For 2 whole minutes. Alright. Oh, what's up? Oh, cool. Okay, stamp it. Sir. Alright. It'll be in 3. I think it's supposed to be in order. I think it's supposed to be in order, but I don't know. Whatever happened. Man. Do I have to do this all the time? It didn't hurt a bit. Man, these patients are just annoying. I don't know why I'm playing Animal Hospital, but still. Big YouTubers are playing it, so... God damn it. There we go. Oh, it's a she, her superstar. Alright. There you go. Girl over here. Wait, what the? Oh, it doesn't. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. JD was right. You can tell by someone. You could literally see through them. Man, bro needs eye drop. Or is this thing? I don't know. Eye drops, yeah. That's what I was supposed to say. Oh, yeah. Oh, dogs are ready. Hello, dog. Hello, doctor. Hello. Hello, doctor. Hello. Just gotta greet him. Yep. Okay, what's up? What's up? Yo. Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, thanks. Nice. Oh, noise. Inject the cameras now. Yo. Oh, office. Man, I just noticed that there's no anyone. Oh, hey. Um. Yeah, let me just check the cameras first. Yeah, you're good. You're good. I barely see any anomalies though. Oscar. That's a weird name. Okay. Wait, hold up. You see, you're good. Okay. What up? I just gotta check if there's any more Yeah, I'm not there, bro. Why am I so quiet? I just had to lock in though. Man, analyze. I don't know why people keep on playing Animal Hospital. Like, it's pretty good, but I don't know. Are you kidding me? A medicine and honey? Where's the goddamn medicine? Is this it? I think it is. Hold up, let me check. Yep, it is. Medicine and then honey. There you go. I just need to check real quick. Yo, who keeps on banging the goddamn... Sorry, sir, just... Hold up. Top secret, what does bro mean? Run the accountant. Got it. By the way, why does bro have hair and the others don't? I'm literally the intern. No. It's a headbanger, isn't it? It's a headbanger. It's a headbanger. Close it. It's a headbanger. I know it's a headbanger, bro. Didn't that hurt, bro? NPCs are so dramatic these days. Shit. Oh my. Here you go. Alright, let's check if we have any more patients. Let's go. Let me just... Hold up. Oh, hell no. You're a fucking anomaly, bro. God damn it. It's fucking anomaly. Yeah, I'm just... Oh, fuck. Oh my god, this headbanger is so annoying. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. So I'm just gonna... I just have a little... one more shift and then I'm gonna end the video. Hold up. Oh, it seems legit. Okay. You seem a little bit more legitter. Let me check the photo. Okay, good. Okay. Just one more shift and then I'm done. Man, it's already on 15. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. Bye.